At Mould Cleaning Australia, we have developed a fast and cost-effective mould removal method which allows for a quicker return to normal occupancy than other methods. On the day of treatment, our technicians will arrive and complete a walkthrough of the property, ensuring all areas of concern are addressed on the day. Before commencing works, air filtration devices will be set up and run for the duration to purify the air whilst mould removal is performed. Affected areas are then hand-treated, removing surface mould, which commonly includes areas such as ceilings, walls, windows and doors. This process returns mould-affected areas to a clean state where painting is not necessary afterwards. Affected contents are also treated using a water-soluble cleaning solution, bringing shoes, bags and many other items back to a clean and refreshed state. Following the removal of mould, the areas are HEPA vacuumed to remove dust, debris and settled spores. The final treatment step of fogging is then carried out. The solution is applied using a fogging machine, which creates a fine mist that can reach all surfaces in the affected area. The treatment is non-toxic, non-corrosive and safe for use in all environments. To find out more, contact one of our friendly team members on 1800 614 228.